Good morning, children. This is once again we are going to discuss the revision classes key. The revision classes key of class 8. Class 8 dated 7th of July. Social studies. The topic is reading and analysis of the maps. Reading and analysis of the maps. You already we have completed this lesson and this is only a revision part. You remember that. And you know very well that as a part of this lesson, we have learned the differences between the photograph and a map. Photograph and a map, first thing. And at the same time, we have learned about the different maps that were made since long time. That is 4,000 years ago only. The Sumerians, the Babylonians, they prepared the maps. The Greeks, they started preparing the map showing different continents. And later the same was continued by the other countries like even the Europeans and the others. So children, now in this assignment we are going to discuss the differences between the photograph and a map. First thing, and second thing is the Babylonian map and the Sumerians map. Along with that, the Greek great geographers like Herodotus, Hecataeus, Alexander, all these great geographers, they made the maps. That also we will understand, and later we will be understanding that how they have taken the pain of joining the places having the same time, that is the noon time, and the length of the shadow is also same at the same time. Based upon that, the places are joined and they have calculated or they started preparing the maps. Like this, the maps were prepared. All these points we will learn in this particular lesson. So, based upon that, the first assignment is see, or just now we have discussed the lines that join the places having the same time, that is noon. What do we call them as? That is from north to south, the lines they have drawn joining the places which are having the noon at the same time, that is noon. Here also, if you see here also, noon is at the same time, and here also noon is at the same time. Here also noon is at the same time, noon is at the same time. Like that, they have drawn the areas connecting that. And what do we call these lines as? The lines joining the places, having the noon at the same time are called as, they are already meridians, and they are also known as the longitudes. Hence, what is the answer? The first answer is B, both B and C. Both B and C, that is meridians and longitudes. That is the answer. The lines that are joining the places having the same length of the shadow, at noon. What do we call them as? With the same length of the shadow are having and they have connected those lines. What do we call these lines as? These lines are called as what? Latitudes. What do we call these are the latitudes? That is option C. Option C, latitudes is the answer for that question. Okay. And children, next one is, that means based upon these latitudes and longitudes, they started preparing the maps, right children? And I told you that the Babylonians 4,000 years ago, before 4,000 years only they have prepared the maps, Babylonians. So what is Babylonians means, how do we understand? Which country at present is this Babylonia? Or what is the present name of Babylonia? What is the present name of Babylonia? The present name of Babylonia is Iraq. That is option B. Iraq is the answer for that question. Okay. And I told you that the great geographers, those who belong to Greece, they started preparing the world maps. Based on the information. So you need to identify who are great Greek geographers, those who made an attempt to draw the world map? Option A, Anaximander, option B, Hecataeus, and option C, Herodotus. All the three are the Greek philosophers only. So option D, all is the answer. Anaximander, Hecataeus, and Herodotus. All are the Greek geographers. So those who wanted to prepare the world map, right, children? And we have a map that is prepared on a clay tablet. Like this, a clay tablet was taken, and in that one inner circle was given, and in that inner circle they have made 7 triangles. They have made 7 triangles. Like that, they made the 7 triangles like that, and they have shown a bitter river also. They have shown the bitter river also. Can you tell the name? Can you tell the name of the country which has prepared the inner circle? The inner circle having these 7 triangles. Having these 7 triangles. Can you name them? That is the question. So what are the options? The options given are Sumeria, Babylonia, next one is Greece and Rome. Greece and Rome. The option is B. Option B. That is Babylonia. Option B. Babylonia is the right answer. They have shown the 7 triangles and a bitter river means salt ocean. Nothing but the salt ocean that was represented in their maps. Okay, children. And using these lines of the latitudes and longitudes perfectly, that is by using these latitudes and longitudes, they have made the maps. Somewhat accurate maps were made. Can you name the person who is responsible for making a perfect world map using these latitudes and longitudes? Can you tell me the name? Yes, you are right. He is none other than Ptolemy. He is none other than the Ptolemy. He is the person who is responsible for the preparation of the world map based upon the latitudes and longitudes. Very good, children. Now we are entering into the 2 marks questions. That is, you have seen a photograph and also you have seen a map. What is the difference between a photograph and a map? That is the question. Photograph, it always represents the real objects. It always represents the real objects, whatever that are there. And this map, they may not show exactly the real objects, but they may be depicted with the help of the symbols or with the help of some other representation like colors like that. So the reality is shown in the photograph, whereas the representation is there in the map. The representation is there in the map. Okay. So that is the main difference. That is the main difference. Second thing is we can't show the all the objects. We can't show all the objects. All the objects like rivers or that is trees or population. Like if we want to know, if we want to show the population of Vijayawada city, can we show in a photograph? Not possible. That is possible in a map. So all cannot be shown in the photograph, but everything can be with the help of the map. That is the main difference between the photograph and a map. Okay, children? And now finally we have entered into the last question, that is the Sumerians were the first people to prepare the maps, but they did not prepare the world map. They have prepared a map for their own country. Why did they prepare the map? That is the question. Why did they prepare the maps? The first one is the temples of Sumeria. The temples of Sumeria has vast tracts of the land. So much of land was there for the temples. So they wanted to know exactly where the lands of the temples were there. They wanted to tell to all the people exactly where the temple lands were making everybody to understand that they prepared the maps. To locate these lands, they prepared the maps. To locate these lands, the Sumerians have prepared the lands. Right, children? Tomorrow we'll meet with one more assignment key. Until then, children, good day and have a nice